Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you 5 hidden features on Windows 10. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So the first feature I'm going to show you is the Show Desktop button. The Show Desktop button is located at the end of your taskbar right here. So when you double click on this Show Desktop button, it minimizes all your open windows. And when you go back and double click on it again, it restores all the windows. So this button can also be used to take a peek on your desktop. So let's say for instance, you have an open window and you want to take a peek, you want to take a look at what is on your desktop. You can simply hover your mouse to the Show Desktop button and you will be able to see through your open windows to view your desktop. But in case that feature is not enabled on your system, you can simply go to your settings and then you hit on the personalize button right here and then you go to taskbar. And then what you are looking for is this use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the Show Desktop button at the end of the taskbar. So you can see mine is on right here. You can simply click on it to enable yours and you are good to go. So the next feature I'm going to show you is the Slides to Shut Down feature. Normally when we want to shut down our PC, we hover our mouse down to our start button and then we click on this power button right here before hitting on the shutdown button over here. But you don't need to go through all that process to shut down your PC. You can simply enable the slide to shut down feature to shut down your PC. So to do that, I'm going to right click on my desktop and then I'm going to hover my mouse down to new and then hit on shortcut. So after hitting on shortcut, this window is going to pop up where you have to input a command. So I have the command in the description on this video. You can copy that and paste it right here. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste and then I'm going to click on next. So it's going to need you to rename the shortcut. So as you can see, it has already renamed automatically Slide to Shut Down. So I'm going to click on finish. So after creating the shortcut, all you need to do is to double click on the shortcut right here. So when you do that, this will appear. So all you need to do right here is to slide this down and your PC is going to shut down. So the next feature I'm going to show you is the customized start menu. So you can customize your start menu by enabling only the buttons you want to see on your start menu. So to do that, you are going to head over to settings and then you are going to hit on personalize. And then after hitting on personalize, on the right hand side of your screen, you are going to hit on the start button right here. So at the bottom of the list, you are going to hit on choose which folder appear on start. And then here you can enable and disable the applications you want to see on your start menu. So whatever application you enable right here is going to appear on this side of the start menu. You can see them right here. So I have these applications enabled right now. So when I disable them, let's say I disable settings, downloads, pictures, network. So I only have videos and personal folder enabled. So if I go back to my start menu, it's only those two. We have videos and personal folder right there. So you can customize it by choosing what applications you need right there, and then you are good to go. You can also enable right here what section of the start menu you want to see on the start menu. So one more thing, you can increase and decrease the size of your start menu by dragging the sides of the start menu. So that's it right there. So the next feature I'm going to show you is the shake to minimize feature. So if you have multiple windows open on your desktop like this and you want to minimize all of them except one. So let's say for instance, I want to minimize all windows on my desktop except Chrome browser. So all I need to do is to click and hold Google Chrome on the taskbar and then I'm going to shake it. So when I shake it, all the windows except Google Chrome will be minimized. So to restore the window, I can simply repeat the same action by clicking and holding the title bar and then I'm going to shake again and then all the windows will be restored. So the next feature I'm going to show you is the use virtual desktop feature. This feature can help you organize your work. You can create multiple desktops to help you manage your work. So to create a virtual desktop, you can go down to your taskbar and hit on the task view button. So when you hit on the task view button, at the top of it, you see multiple desktop right here. They are up to 9. So you can create up to 9 virtual desktop. You can create one by simply hitting on it, and then you can also move windows to different desktop on your PC to help you. So to quickly switch between these desktops, you can press the Ctrl key on your keyboard plus the Windows key and then the arrow keys back and forth. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.